Winter is a dreamy world dressed in silver. Winter is also the season that makes all fruit adorable. Although it is cold, wearing a loose cotton coat allows one to be hidden in their own secret space. Does the round little head contain little dried fish inside? Speaking of dried fish, wait a moment. I also have my little dried fish. If I were to mention my must-make dish for winter, besides seasonal fruit pies, it would be the endlessly delightful salmon pie. First, let's make the savory pie crust. Cut the chilled butter into small pieces, put in the flour, and use your hands to rub it into crumbs. This step is similar to the first step of making scones. Then add an egg, lemon juice, a small spoon of salt, and sugar, and mix well. Today, using cold milk instead of cold water, for the pie crust will give it a richer milky flavor. Place the dough on the countertop and knead it. Since this is not the step for making puff pastry, you can be a bit casual. Fold the dough about 3 to 4 times and roll it out thinly. Finally, refrigerate it for more than 30 minutes. After blanching the spinach, season it with salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Slice the shiitake mushrooms and bake it for later use. Cut the salmon into pieces. Also, pick some fresh stone snail leaves. Add salt, black pepper, and olive oil for seasoning. After preparing the filling ingredients, first fry the bacon to release its oil. Then add the shiitake mushrooms and continue stir-frying. After adding a large spoonful of flour, add milk, and slowly bring to a boil over low heat, cooking until the sauce thickens. Season with sea salt and black pepper. Then take out the pie crust, roll it into a 1 centimeter thick sheet, and cut the pie crust according to the size of the container. Beat 3 cups of eggs. Gradually add the sauce, spinach, fish pieces, cheese, and egg mixture. Cover with the pie crust, and press the edges tightly. Before making the pie, the first thing that comes to my mind is the herring pie from Kiki's delivery service. Comforting winter food, both savory and sweet pies are equally healing. Next, make a long ginger milk curd. After grinding fresh ginger into ginger paste, squeeze out the ginger juice using cheesecloth. In a small pot, add a can of pure milk and sugar. It is best to use milk with a natural high-quality protein content of 3.8 grams or more for making ginger milk curd. This will increase the success rate of coagulation. After resting for 15 minutes, if a spoon can be placed steadily on top, it is successful.